To check body composition on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, we can go all the way to these widgets, and you should be able to find the fitness section. Here, you want to scroll down to find body composition. And then you can tap on this measure button to begin, of course, the measurement. But besides that, we can also find how to measure. So if you have no idea how to properly measure the body composition, then over here we have this information that we want to move our watch higher on our wrist. So usually you probably wear it like 2 centimeters away from the wrist bone. You might want to move it slightly higher as it is guided in here. Besides that, we want to place middle and ring fingers on buttons. So here goes the middle finger, and here goes the ring finger. Then we have this instruction: touch your watch only, don't let your hands touch. We also have, of course, the visual presentation as well, and that should be pretty clear. And then we need to raise our arms away from our body. Here we go. So once you're ready, tap on the measure. You may need to select your gender. We need to set up the height, our weight. Over here we also have an information that we need to keep in mind that body composition monitoring is for fitness and wellness only, and it is not the diagnosis, etc. And there we go. Even here we have, once again, instructions how to do that, so you just need to follow all of that. And then I believe we should be able to start. There we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.